When you first start fishing, it sometimes pays to feed quite heavily on the inside margin. You'll normally find 3 feet deep in most pegs. Again, fish micro pellets soften down with either meat or pellet on the hook. It's as good a bait as any for most of the pegs that you're going to fish. You may find if you feed it first and then try either shallow work at 14 metres or your 5 metre line on the deck with pellet, that is, pretty much standard to be at. The carp will run on the inside line anywhere between £1 and £15, so you do need proper gear. Don't be afraid to fish at least 0.15 line for any of your margin swims. Like a lot of commercials, most of the Folly in particular is reed lined, so have the appropriate elastics to drag the fish out of the margin swim. The tench pond, the carp pond and the orchards are all heavily stocked with all different species, and a good day's fishing can be had in any of them. For the shallow rig, I've used the pole set at approximately 13.5–14 metres, 0.13 line, 0.2 gram float to a Tubatini 175 pattern number 1 with a band. For the inside margin, that's 0.15 line with the Tubatini 175 number 2, soft 6mm pellet on the hook, pumped pellets. For the 5 metre line, which works just as well at 5, 6, 7 and so on, right up to 14 metres if you want to fish that long. Again, 0.15 line, this time of year in the summer, with a number 2 hook, 175 pattern again. Paste works well on any line. Meat's a very good bait, and although we've only been fishing a pole, both the method works well. Inline method has to be free running, and even waggler set at full depth is an alternative venue if you like fishing a rod and line. 3.5 hours work. Skimmer as well. I reckon it's approximately 60 pound. Maybe a bit more. As you can see, there was about 60+ pound of carp of all different species, commons, mirrors and ghosties. That was in just 3 hours hard work. Thoroughly enjoyed it as always. The beauty of Risby is you've got fantastic scenery, great fishing, comfortable pegs, easy access and a quality cafe to boat. Can't get a better day's fishing.